TidyCal claims it can make scheduling as easy as sending a link. I put it to the test to see if it actually saves time or just adds another app to your stack. Let's find out. By the way, if you find this video helpful, the best way to support me is to sign up for the service by using my link in the description of this video. It's my affiliate link, which means I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Thank you very much, and now let's get started. The problem. Let's be honest, scheduling can be a pain. You message back and forth with someone. They suggest a time, and you're not free. You suggest another time, and they're not free. Before you know it, the conversation is longer than the meeting itself. If you run a business, this isn't just annoying, it can cost you money. Someone who's ready to work with you might give up because booking a call feels like too much effort. That is lost income. And this is where TidyCal comes in. It's an online booking tool that aims to make scheduling simple, clear, and fast for both you and your clients. What is exactly TidyCal? It's a scheduling platform created by AppSumo, a company known for offering lifetime deals on software. TidyCal lets people see when you're available and book a time that works for them. You can set it up for one-on-one meetings, group sessions, consultations, or even coffee catch-ups. Once booked, TidyCal sends confirmation emails to both you and your clients, plus reminder emails before the meeting. You can share your booking link directly or embed it on your website so people can book without leaving your site. Ease of setup. The first thing I noticed is how quick it is to set up. You don't need to spend hours figuring it out. You start by connecting your main calendar. TidyCal works with Google Calendar, Microsoft Office 365, and Apple iCalendar. This is important because TidyCal checks your real availability before showing open slots to others. No more double booking yourself. If you've used another scheduling tool like Calendly, you can even import your booking types directly into TidyCal. That's a big time saver if you're switching over. Booking types, flexibility. Once your calendar is connected, you can create your booking types. This is where TidyCal gives you a lot of freedom. That means you can have one link for a quick 15-minute discovery call, another one for a 1 hour long consultation, and another one for a podcast interview, and so on. Each type can have its own rules. You can choose which days and times are available, how far in advance people can book, and even add buffers between meetings so you have time to prepare or take a break. If you only want to offer certain services on certain days, you can set that up too. Group bookings and date calls. Now, what if you want more than one person in a meeting? TidyCal has group booking options. You set the maximum number of people who can book that slot, and once it's full, no one else can join. This is great for webinars, workshops, or small classes. They also have something called date polls. If you've ever used doodle polls, it works the same way. You pick a few possible dates and times, set the poll to everyone, and they vote for what works best. This is perfect for planning team meetings or group events without sending a million messages. Next, let's talk about money. If you charge for your time, TidyCal makes it easy to collect payments right when someone books. You can connect Stripe or PayPal, which are both widely used and secure payment processors. When someone selects a paid booking type, they have to pay before their spot is confirmed. This is a nice way to avoid no-shows for paid sessions. The only catch is you can have only one payment method for each booking type. Also, there are no built-in discount codes, so if you want to offer a lower price, you'll have to make a separate booking link for it. Video meeting links. Most of us do a lot of virtual meetings now, so let's cover how TidyCal handles that. It integrates with Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. Once a booking is confirmed, it can automatically create the meeting link and email it to both you and your clients. If it's an in-person meeting or a phone call, you can just add the location or phone number instead. Customization options. TidyCal also lets you make the booking experience your own. You can customize your booking pages, add your branding, and edit the reminder emails. On the paid plan, you can even send people to your own thank you page after they book. That's a nice way to make the process feel more personal and keep people on your site. You can embed your booking page on your website, share it in an email, or even drop it into a private client portal. If you want to get fancy, you can use the email embed tool to send someone a specific appointment time right inside an email. The directory. One thing that makes TidyCal different from some competitors is its public directory. If you turn this on, people browsing the TidyCal marketplace can discover your services and book you directly. It's not going to flood you with new clients overnight, but it's another way to get your name out there without doing extra marketing work. Pricing. Let's get into the numbers because this is one of TidyCal's biggest selling points. The free plan is $0 forever. You get your own booking page, custom availability, embed on any site, translation/localization, customer support, and date polls. That's already more generous than a lot of competitors' free versions. Then there's the individual plan, which is a one-time payment of $29. This includes everything in the free plan, plus extra features for consultants, freelancers, coaches, and other individuals. Finally, the agency plan is $79 one time. You get everything in the individual plan, plus extra features for agencies and other organizations that need team features. No monthly or yearly fees. You pay once and you're done. What works well? Here's where TidyCal really delivers. It's easy to set up even if you're not tech savvy. It gives you a lot of flexibility with booking types. It syncs well with major calendars, so your availability is accurate. The ability to take payments is smooth, and the price, especially the lifetime deal, is hard to beat. Limitations and quirks. But of course, it's not perfect. You can only send 2 reminder emails per booking. If you want text reminders, that's only available on the agency plan. And even then, it's limited to phone numbers in the US and Canada. The package booking feature is limited. You can sell a bundle of sessions, but they all have to be booked at once. You can't fully remove TidyCal's branding, only reduce it. And if someone reschedules, there's a small chance the old meeting might still show in your calendar. Though it's rare, it's worth watching out for. If you need coupon codes, detailed email marketing integrations, or advanced automation, TidyCal isn't built for that. Though you can connect it to other tools using Zapier. Who TidyCal is for? If you're a freelancer, consultant, coach, or small business owner who wants a clean, easy-to-use scheduling tool without ongoing fees, TidyCal is a great option. It's also great for teams that want a shared booking system without paying per user every month. Closing thoughts. Here's the thing. Scheduling tools aren't just about saving a few minutes. They're about making it easy for people to work with you. When booking a meeting takes seconds instead of days, you remove a big barrier for potential clients. TidyCal isn't the flashiest scheduling tool out there, but it does the job very well. It's quick to set up, has enough features to cover most needs, and the lifetime pricing makes it a low-risk investment. So, think about it. How much time you spend each week just arranging meetings? What could you do with that time back? That's really the question to ask yourself. So if you want to try TidyCal, make sure to use my link in the description of this video. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.